Hello. Dude, it is so pretty outside. Like, I'm gonna show you guys really quick. It was just raining yesterday, but like, look at how clear the sky is. It is so beautiful. But anyways, for this video, I am so excited because I'm gonna be doing a mini like room transformation. If you guys didn't know, I did another room makeover video like 2 years ago, which is crazy. And that actually did really well, so I'm super happy you guys liked that video. But it's just gonna be a very like mini small transformation because I'm not gonna redo everything, but it's just like little touches in my room. I want it to be more me because like I'm constantly changing and like my style constantly changes, so it's kind of hard to keep up with all of that changes. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got because I'm so excited to put it up. This wall is mainly what I'm going to put stuff on because it's really blank. It's been like this for like a couple months now. I'm gonna put up just kind of like the overall vibe that I'm going for in my room, so I'll put a couple photos up. A lot of it is like greenery and like wood material and very like nature vibes. I don't know, I just really like greenery and room and like plants. Not real ones though, because I literally cannot take care of a real plant. I got two like actually last year, and they were not in very good condition, guys. Like they were dying and I didn't do anything to save them. But anyways, I do want to show you guys what I got from Amazon, and I also bought some like other trinkets and like little candles and stuff to put in my room. So this package actually took a while to come for some reason. I guess they were like sold out or something, I don't really know. But I got this like wooden shelf. I got two of these so that way I can put them on this wall. It's so cute, and like I'm so excited to hang stuff on it. So it just kind of looks like that, but it just came with these hooks. I'll leave the link to everything that I bought in the description box in case you guys want to check anything out. And then another thing is I got this like macrame, I think that's what it's called, hanging planter. Yeah, I think I got this from TJ Maxx, and then I put like these fake plants inside. This is actually my favorite one because it like drapes down. This plant is from IKEA. Also, my LED lights broke on my wall. I have no idea how that happened, but the lights won't turn on, and I've been LED lightless. Does that even make sense? And so I was so excited when Day Better emailed me and wanted to send me their LED lights. So I'm going to switch out the not working LED lights with the Day Better. Very quickly, I want to show like a little candle, I guess, that I got from Urban Outfitters, and it's so cute, guys. Like I haven't even lit the candle. I got this candle from Urban Outfitters, Virgo on it, which is my sign. Practical, reliable, kind, creative, and it's just so cute. Like look at how cute this thing is. That is the update for now, and I'll update you guys later. I wanted to quickly thank Day Better for sending me LED lights. I really appreciate it. Day Better had the perfect timing. They came through. They're a real one. So they sell a wide variety of LED lights, outdoor lights, LED bulbs, and a bunch of accessories. But the one that they gifted me were the flexible strip LED lights, and they look like this when you open the box. It comes with a cord, LED controller. It also comes with the remote, and then here are the actual lights that come inside. And then obviously it comes with like instructions and stuff, the control, how to use the controller. Came with all the essential things that I need to set up the LED lights, and I encourage you guys to get some LED lights as well, just to add some spice to your room. The lights just create like a good vibe in my room, and literally every night when I go to sleep I put on like the pink setting, and the lighting makes everything 10 times better. Like it is chef's kiss. Be sure to go check the link out in the description box and to purchase your LED lights. Again, they have tons of other products as well if you're not really into the LED strips. There's different colored lighting that they have available to you on their website as well as Amazon and Walmart, so be sure to check it out. But yeah, let's go set up the LED lights. I brought my handy ladder here, and I'm gonna start hanging the LED lights, and I'm gonna be following the instructions. And it says you cannot install the LED lights unless it's on a cleaned surface. So I'm gonna bring out the cutest disinfecting wipes. I just wanted to show you guys this. Look at the packaging, it is so cute. So I just had to show her off. We're gonna start the process now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm already sweating, so we'll see how it goes, but I know the results are going to be worth it. So I'm going to start cleaning the wall. Get started, everyone. Season of occupation. It's time to send in your application.
talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see, only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive, listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see, only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive, listening to Jackson 5. We can make it.
So I finished hanging one LED strip and look how long it goes till. I hung it all the way till there, which I wasn't expecting it to. I thought it would end there. So I'm gonna see how it looks like on.
1, 2, 3, 4. In my car, I think about you. Think about all that we could do. Play a song that tells me.
My room is very bright right now, but I'm gonna show you guys before my camera dies. For the lights, hung them all on this wall, and then it kind of just ends in the middle of that wall. What I found so cool about these lights is that there's actually an app that you can download on your phone that allows you to control like the light settings. You could also use music to change the color by the music rhythm, which is so cool.
I wear my heart on my sleeve, but you'll never ever catch me.
Again, I want to say a huge thank you for Day Better for sending me the LED lights. I love them so much. I use them literally every night and I cannot go to sleep without them. Also, I apologize for like the rest of the video because I'm currently sick and I filmed this part when I was sick, so I'm just kind of like have low energy level in these next few clips. But let's continue with this room makeover.
Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to set this whole thing up. Press the clock button to enter the time setting. Clock. Press the arrow button to set our minute. Okay, 3:17. Here we go. Okay, so it has like different levels to the light. Click on it. It puts it into this like brighter shade. So that is very cool. Figured out the timing and I'm really excited to see how it looks on my nightstand. So along with the alarm clock, it came with this mini LED clock. So it's like controls the brightness, the alarm, temperature, and the clock time, which I can all change on here, which is super cool. Actually, it looks really cool. I don't know, I think it's different, which is why I got it. So I just put like the skincare that's like usually lying around on my desk into one of the bins, and it looks so cute. Let me show you guys. These are the vibes. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep it this way. So usually this stuff is like all over my desk. I think I'm gonna put one of these like little mini baskets here because I have like a bunch of little like knickknacks, of course. Oh my gosh, I just found my pimple patches, bro. I was looking for this everywhere. It was under my masks. Okay, anyways, so I have these like little masks and stuff, so I think I'm just gonna like leave them in here. A bunch of other stuff that I have, my M&Ms, and then I'm gonna put like my masks, and I'm just gonna leave it here for now. I don't know, just to kind of like put like my little knickknacks in there. I have just like a lot of stuff lying around, and I think it just kind of looks a little more cuter if it's just like in that bin. And I'm gonna take this other bin, and I've decided I'm gonna put it on my nightstand because there's just like so much like randomness here, but I feel like these
like really do help, honestly. Make such a huge difference. So this is gonna be how my nightstand looks like. And so I have that, and then I have my candle, a succulent, and then I have like hand creams. Very, very tiny bins, but I highly recommend buying some. I would recommend putting skincare in there or your makeup. That's that, just in case you're wondering. Okay guys, so we ended up hanging all of the planters that I wanted to hang. So sorry I'm looking rough, like I just woke up from a nap. Ta-da! This is the decor that I've been wanting to hang for a while now. I just took the plants that were in there and just put them here for now because I kind of want to see how it looks like, and I think I really like this plant here, so I'm going to leave it there. But I'm just going to kind of play around with everything. I think it looks really nice. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry it was like kind of all over the place. It was just like me talking for most of the time, but I still really enjoy just like talking in front of the camera. But let me know what you guys thought of this video, and again, be sure to check the links in the description box below. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye!